Welcome to Knowledge for All. Today we are going to how to install fonts into your computer. First of all, you download fonts into one folder and extract those all fonts into one folder. I previously downloaded fonts to this folder. I open this folder and select all fonts and copy all selected fonts. Next, you open this PC and go to C partition and open Windows folder. You go to fonts folder. You can see here this kind of icon in this font folder, and double click and open this folder and click on this folder. Now we want to paste all selected font into this folder. Then we use shortcut keys, press and hold Ctrl button and press V button. Then you can see here this kind of message. This message say already some fonts are installed, therefore we want to replace. Then you tick this checkbox and click on the yes button. Then you can see here installing all fonts. Then all fonts are installed. Now you can use those installed fonts into your graphic design and typing or this kind of work. You can use these fonts. Thank you all. Subscribe, share, comment, like Knowledge for All.